Hey, what's up guys? Bodie here, and I want to talk today about taking an opportunity that I saw in front of me. So one of my friends tagged me on Facebook, his girlfriend, they just got a boxer puppy today. So I have my dog, which is a Labrador here, down on the couch there. But anyway, they got a boxer puppy today, and then his girlfriend has seen on Facebook a tank top which has like boxer mum on it. So, like a nice t-shirt for her to wear to the dog park or wherever. And then my friend knows what I get up to in my spare time. And then he tagged me and he said, "Can you supply?" And I said, "Yes, I can. I'll supply it to you tonight," because it was a very basic shirt. So I'll show you what happened here. So yeah, then I went through, done the design, and I'll show you guys what I done, what it looked like, and then yeah, how it all went down pretty much. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So all I really did here was I'll show you the design. So the design that what they're doing is a custom design where they just have mum on the shirt. This is the shirt that I was tagged in and asked if I could make. And then they've got insert dog breed here. So obviously when you upload to their site, they'll just put in like, for this sake, it's a boxer mum, but it could be pitbull mum or, Staffy mum or Great Dane mum, whatever it is. And they just put that on there for you and then they deliver it out. So as you can see, it's just a racerback singlet, nothing special about it really. And then it's got mum. So it's very basic in black and white. So this is the design that I did, and I found pretty much a similar singlet, and then I copied the font pretty closely as well, as close as I could get without finding the exact font. And yeah, sent that off to my friend, and he was very happy and is making the purchase. So let me just have show you what I did to be able to do that. So I'll just show you. This is it on the website. So it's $38.36 in Australian, and that ends up making me, I can't remember what it was, like $10 profit maybe, probably less. $10 I think it was. And when you do a design on Teespring, it'll also give you options to do other products. It'll come up with them. So I also done socks just in case they were interested in the socks. Whoops, sorry, I've got my alarm going off. So yeah, all I did though, if I show you here, is you go create a design, start designing. And I was like, okay, women's tank top. So I came over here and went tank tops. And then down here, this is looks exactly like it. So a flowy tank top, and it's got that same sort of racer back, as you can see in here. So I was like, oh yeah, that looks very similar, close enough anyway. And then it's a women's one, so I click start designing. It comes up with, what would you like to do with your design? Well, I'd like to sell it, so that's what I went. And then from here, I just started designing. So all I did was change it to black, obviously. And then I just went add text and put in, hang on, I'll put the text as white so you can actually see it. There you go. And put in boxer mum. Move that across. And then obviously I changed the text until I could find a text. I had the picture pulled up next to me and I was just looking for a text that's very similar to that. As you can see, I got very close and then matched kind of the same size and the same place on the t-shirt. And then honestly, that was about it. It's actually very basic. That's why I knew when I saw that and got tagged in it that it wouldn't be hard to do. So then I just mucked around with the pricing. It'll tell you how much profit for the sale you'll get there. But when I put it onto the site, because it was coming up in American, I realized that it needed to be a tiny bit higher so I could make at least $9 or $10 profit out of it, I think. So that's something you'll look at, but we can dive deeper into that later. I just wanted to show you guys how this whole thing unfolded, and just taking the opportunity. Like, you can do the same thing. There could be people that are tagging each other on your timeline in certain types of shirts in any sort of niche. Like, it could be to do with fitness. There's plenty of funny fitness shirts and things like that. And you can set up a Teespring store and then away you go. You can have socks and a shirt or whatever, and be targeting those people. So you know, you could see them tag their friend, or they get tagged and they love it. You could quickly design something like this up. It honestly took me not a very long time, and then flick it through to them and be like, hey, I saw you like this sort of t-shirt. Did you know I actually sell those? And boom, then you might get a sale that way. You might have a whole you know, niche going on where it's all about one sort of fitness niche, and yeah, people are interested, and you can start making sales that way. So I just wanted to show you guys how that came around. Teespring is obviously very easy to use. Don't ask me about the quality because I have not ordered one before, so that's one thing to worry about. Teespring does seem to have some pretty good reviews. It's not as good as Printful or Printify from what I've read, but you know, to be able to set up and just design shirts this quickly and like target anyone in any niche, it's a pretty handy thing to have. So yeah, thought I'd show you guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you got some insight out of that, and make sure you go out and do the same thing and chase up them sales. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give it a like and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.